I'm Shri Joshi. I'm a director of business development at Cell Therapies. We are a Melbourne, Australia-based CDMO, which have been in the cell therapy manufacturing business for over 20 years. What's really exciting about cell therapies is that our kind of the alliance model, which we name as an Asia Pacific Alliance model, in a short form we call it an APAM model, where we basically really serve as a kind of a single tech transfer site for any company. We want to really come to Australia, get the advantage of the R&D tax benefit, which basically double your investor money for bringing the clinical trials to the Australia. But at the same time, a sponsor doesn't really need to manage 56 different sites for that tech transfer. We really serve as a single hub tech transfer and manage different geographies in the Asia Pacific region, and then really provide that we are a right conduit, which speaks from the regulatory point of view, which speaks alike from the FDA and the EMEA, but the TGA that excellent benefit. So cell therapy has that kind of the key differential advantage that which we can the sponsors can benefit from the lower OPEX as well as lower labor cost in the Australia, but at the same time they can get that clinical trial and then other benefits that from the regulatory point of view, and they can use the data set being generated from that clinical trials to support their IND filing. So I think that's a key differentiator for us. This year, I think meeting on the Mesa has been really, excellent. I can see the vibe, lot of positivity and a lot of partnering meetings going on. So I think people are really going from one table to other table, so doing that partnering dance, which is really exciting. It's been really hot out there here in Phoenix. So I think, absolutely. I think if you're coming in here, make sure you get your linens. I'm already feeling warm in my jacket, but I think this is really exciting. I can see a lot of positivity in the meeting.